Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to TCL TAB 10L. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both of them and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia smartphone. Now I need to rotate my device real quick. And finally select Receive on TCL and Send on a Nokia. After that, you need to click on all of those dots on your Nokia device and choose Send over here. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, click on Send and tap on Got it. As you can see now, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on TCL, tapping on Tapping on while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also input this key here and then tap on Receive button. And now, as you can see, after a while my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!